And the race is on. Tailor-made arithmetic from the outside. Bumblebee Afternoon Delight. Oh, wacky. Arithmetic by Sam two lengths, followed by Bumblebee by Darrell. Tailor-made racing from the outside. Afternoon Delight and oh, wacky. Last 650 arithmetic by 2, followed by Bumblebee. Tailor-made done on the inside. Afternoon Delight and remains in previous. Oh, wacky. Last 450 arithmetic by 3 lines, followed by Bumblebee. As they race the final corner, arithmetic. This time by some 5 lengths. Bumblebee, Tailor-made, Afternoon Delight. Oh, wacky. And ring the last 150 meters more to run, arithmetic by some 7 lengths. And finally, from the stable of Mr. Napchua, arithmetic. Second, Tailor-made, Bumblebee, Afternoon Delight. And oh, wacky.